Plug in and take control with a LockState Connect Wi-Fi power plug. Our internet-controlled plugs connect to your existing Wi-Fi router and allow you to control home electronic devices from anywhere. Check the status and control the on-off settings of any lamp, space heater, coffee pot, curling iron, or other powered appliances from your smartphone or PC. Turn lamps on without having to fumble for the switch, or off without getting out of bed. Avoid energy waste and fire hazards by ensuring that curling irons and space heaters are turned off, even if you've already left your home. Even set schedules to power on lights and other appliances during specific times of day. LockState Connect Wi-Fi plugs feature surge protection and are available in either single wall tap or power strip formats. For more information on this and other LockState Connect internet-controlled devices, visit LockStateConnect.com. Stay connected with your home from wherever life takes you.